we see that there's been huge results improvement at Mosiwa Tunya High School, where 95% of A-level passes were recorded, and strong in performance, particularly showing girls in science subjects. What does this achievement mean for the Victoria Falls community?
I want to say it is a teamwork, and we would want to also thank the administration, the school administration that is led by Obaba Orolel Nsibanda. He has been doing quite a sterling job. And to come to specifically to the benefit and the pass rate, that is indicating that improvement, especially on the girl child. It, our society, it's patriarchal. Ukuthi abantu abaningi babekhangelela ukuthi abantu abamele bephumelele kumbe bepase ngabantwana abangabafana, and they give less attention to the girl child, especially also when it comes to what we call hard sciences. It has been a field yabafana. But then this now would show that the girl child is now being supported, and what they are also coming up with, they now have got confidence to say we can do this, and they are doing it. So in my view, there is quite it's quite in my view encouraging ukuthi as long as abantwana abangamankazana lawo bekubona ukuthi they've got the ability to sail kuma hard sciences, it means therefore they also would get professions that were literally reserved for the male child.
Okay. Now looking at the social support and with regards to rising number of teenage pregnancies, school dropouts, we see the report of the Zimbabwe Vulnerability Assessment Report in Matebelele, these issues being raised. How does then this inspire other perhaps parents or other learners to find themselves enrolled and making sure that they're at school and they are also assisted ukuyehlisa ubuzima lobo i-community hlangana labo ngabantwana, and as well ama-drugs?
Yes. I want to say issue yama-drugs vis-a-vis how then abantwana kumele bencediseke from the parent side and also the school itself. You would find that as of yesterday, Tina, as a community, we had police that they had called a meeting, and we have a quality discussion in terms of looking into the social ills as far as how these affect abantwana besikolo. And they shared quite critical information of how then our parents should be dealing with these social ills, and how then they can also make sure they can report these challenges, be it child abuse, be it ukulwa kwezindlini, kumbe how it affects abantwana ukuthi bephumele ama-results. So technical information, expertise that came out, I would say most of the parents that did not come because they missed out. There was quite a good information that they had. However, the other thing I want to say, in as much as we have this challenge as like nationwide, in Victoria Falls as it were, if we can make a comparison analysis, you'd find that it is one of the indawo esingathi ingcono kakhulu, in as much as we have gotten a rehabilitation center which was supported by government to make sure where there are such issues, we should have experts rehabilitation centers where they can go and be attended to, so much so that they quickly come back in the system. Ngoba umntwana nxa engela skolo, naturally they won't have much they can't find where to start. So in my view, I think as a society, there is still quite a lot of positivity towards making sure they support even reporter cases. At the end of the day, we find out these are the issues that are in the society, precisely because the parents, the neighbors, the security sector is also coordinating and sharing this information. And the reason why yesterday they came through, it was simply because there was a surge, as it were, of criminal activity, especially with John Jello, as a comparative narrative from last year, same period. So that's why they say, no, we should also come and give skills and tactics to the residents, so much so that they can protect their kids, they can protect their property, because that is their commandate, and of which we are benefiting from that.